So hello guys, welcome to the new video. So in this video I will be showing my swags collection that I received in the last or in this year only. And so let's start from the first swag. So the first one is this. So this one is the cockroachdb swag that I received from the Cockroach Labs for completing a course. The next is the Devfest 2021 t-shirt that I received for winning a quiz in the Devfest 2021. The next is a JFrog challenge t-shirt. I received this t-shirt for completing a JFrog challenge that was organized by the JFrog company. Then the next is a Angelhack Ambassador swag t-shirt. Because I am an Angelhack Ambassador, so I received this t-shirt for that. Then that is the Hacktoberfest 2020 t-shirt that I received. And this one is the reSkill t-shirt. The next is this Google Cloud t-shirt. I received this for completing the Google Cloud challenge also. Then again, this is also a reSkill t-shirt that I received for completing a second challenge. And yep, here is the Google Cloud bag that I received from the Google Cloud by completing a Qwiklabs challenge. Then this one is for also completing a Google Cloud challenge. Then I received this bottle for winning an Instagram quiz. That is also I received by completing an Instagram quiz. That is also from Qwiklabs, as you can see. Then this was the Google Cloud t-shirt also for completing the cloud challenges. Then this cap is also I received for completing the Google Cloud challenge. So yeah, and these were the stickers that I received from all of these. Like this is the Google Cloud badge, and these are the pop socket for the phone, and these are some stickers. And these are all some pens that I received from geeksforgeeks for completing the technical script challenge. And this is from also the Google Cloud. Yeah, this was the whole swag of mine that I received this year. So I thought to make a video on all of my swag that I received in this year. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video.